Tired of clunky card readers and complicated payment setups? Today, we're diving into how you can turn your iPhone into a contactless payment powerhouse with Tap to Pay. This will revolutionize how small businesses like yours handle transactions. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and head over to the Settings app. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Tap to open it. Scroll down until you see Wallet and Apple Pay and tap on it. This section manages everything related to your digital wallet. Look for the Accept Payments option. If you don't see it, it could mean your business is not set up to accept payments using Tap to Pay, or it is not yet available in your region. Make sure your business is signed up and eligible. Tap on Accept Payments. Now, you'll see a list of payment providers. These are the services that process the transactions for you. Choose the provider that your business already uses, or select one that best fits your needs. For this example, we are going to choose Square. If you don't have it already, you'll be prompted to download the Square app. Go to the App Store, search for Square Point of Sale and tap Install. Once installed, open the Square app and log in using your Square credentials on the main screen. Look for an option like Tap to Pay on iPhone or a similar prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate Tap to Pay. It will likely involve confirming your business details and accepting the terms and conditions. Once activated, you are ready to accept contactless payments. To process a payment, simply enter the transaction amount in the Square app and instruct your customer to hold their contactless card or device. Near the top of your iPhone, you'll see a checkmark on the screen once the payment is successful. That's it. You've successfully set up Tap to Pay on your iPhone, allowing you to accept contactless payments quickly and easily. This simple solution can streamline your business and improve customer experience.